Welcome our new tutorial about demo installation of ServListing Service Finder WordPress theme. For this, go to the appearance of dashboard and theme to add new theme. Click upload theme and then click on choose file to select the exact zip file of ServListing. You will get this while purchasing. Then install now. After installing, click on activate and a list of plugins that requires to begin installing plugin. So click on it and select all the plugins to install and click on apply. While done, click on return to required plugins installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard and tools. Click demo content install and get 4 different pre-made home pages. Click install what you like. It will take a few times to complete your installing. Your Service Finder WordPress theme, which is ideal for an advanced business and service directory theme. Business and service providers from different categories can register and create their profile. Customer also can see their profile and book their services only. Service Finder boasts a versatile array of 4 different home pages design, which will allow you to create the look and feel of your site to your specific needs. Service Finder comes with several dedicated listing pages design and optimal user experience. Each listing archive page will show you their services, portfolio, customer reviews, and contact information, and many more. You can now easily install the demo of this WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.